15 MPs from 10 opposition parties, including the Shiromani Akali Dal, DMK, NCP, and the Trinamool Congress, were stopped by the police from reaching the Ghazipur border on Thursday to meet the farmers protesting against the new farm laws. According to Shiromani Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who coordinated the visit, the leaders were not allowed to cross the barricades and reach the protest site. Besides Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Supriya Sule from the NCP, Kani Modi and Tiruchi Shiva from DMK and Saugata Roy from the TMC were part of the delegation.
देखिए, जब देश के किसान धरने पे बैठे हुए हैं 2.5 महीने से और ये सरकार ना उनके बारे में कोई बात करती है, ना राष्ट्रपति के भाषण में कुछ होता है, ना हाउस में कुछ बोला जाता है, तो जो लोगों से चुने हुए लोग यहाँ पे भेजे गए हैं, जब हमारे लोग सड़कों पे बैठ के मर रहे हैं तो हाउस में और बाकी बातें करने का मतलब ही क्या है। मैं तो इस सरकार पे हैरान हूँ कि जो सबसे गर्म मुद्दा है, सबसे अर्जेंट मुद्दा है, जिस करके रोज लोगों की जाने जा रही हैं, आपने वहाँ पे एक ऐसा फोर्ट्रेस दीवारें खड़ी कर दी हैं, वहाँ पे स्पाइक्स लगा दिए हैं, ऐसे रॉड्स पुलिस को दे दिए जैसे कोई पता नहीं पाकिस्तानी बैठे होते हैं। ये आपकी देश की जनता है, ये आपके अपने किसान हैं, देश के अन्नदाता हैं, और उनको जिस तरह से उनको ट्रीट किया जा रहा है बहुत ही शर्मनाक।
Members of the National Conference, RSP and IUML were also a part of it. Watch the visuals.
You cannot remove us. You do whatever you can. Do whatever you can. Do whatever. See, you do nothing. You do whatever you can. Do whatever you can. Do whatever. See, you do nothing. We are standing here. We have a stand on the road. What prohibited area? Why prohibited? Why prohibited? What is going on here? What is going on here? What situation? What situation? Only you are creating the situation. Only you are creating the situation. Don't drive us. Don't force us. What is the big problem? We have come here to see. You are not allowed. We will go back. Don't push us. We won't. That's all. We will go only when we want to.
During the discussion in the parliament on Wednesday, several opposition parties asked the government to withdraw the 3 farm laws without making it a prestige issue and not to treat the agitating farmers on the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border, one of the key protest sites where thousands of farmers are camping, with a demand that the centre repeal the new agri-marketing laws enacted last September. The protesting farmers have expressed the apprehension that these laws would pave the way for dismantling of the minimum support price system, leaving them at the mercy of the big corporates. However, the government has maintained that the new laws will bring better opportunities for farmers and introduce new technologies in agriculture sector. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.